Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I haven't uploaded anything of my car. Today we're taking the car to Unit 8 to get the bash bar done for the front and rear. I seen one guy commenting saying that you get bash bar. That's always been the plan, and now we're going to get the bash bar done on the car, and we see you at Unit 8. Peace. Oh my goodness. It's been a while. I've started the car out. Let's see the start up first.
Oh. This is shit. Start, motherfucker.
I peeped the ass out and I was like, damn, she thick as fuck.
You can't even get to the fucking thing! What the fuck is this? That's why you're making a bash bar. I left bare wood here. What happened to the wood?
You reckon drive the whole car up on wood? Is that how Alex did last time?
Yeah, that's how we did it.
Record it just in case.
The second day, we're going to Unit 8 to sort the car out. Yesterday we just went there to basically just drop it off, and Grant continued to sort his car out. He has a new project, he sold the Alpha 82. I'm going to show you guys the new project that he has now as well. So now we just go in there. Hopefully today we'll get Mark II sorted. Stay tuned. You look sexy.
Well, that's dead, that's dead.
Not dead.
What is that?
It's chicken ramen. Japanese style.
Yeah, but you need to get the fish one, man.
No fish. Fish. I don't like fish. It's all about the chicken. You know what I mean?
Dead, right.
Nas X.
Astaghfirullah.
That's the boy, Jaden.
That's not my boy. No way.
That's the boy Lil Nas X. Top. Once upon a time. Not knowing he's homosexual.
Did you buy the t-shirt in the end?
Nah, no, I didn't buy it. Like I didn't. I have nothing against homosexual people, but that's not my thing.
You're flexing on that fucking... Shit, that's hot.
No camera.
Yeah, I got that. I was just about to stop it as well.
Oh. God damn.
No, Home Alone.
Oh, the door handle. A lot of the viewers don't know what happened to the bird, innit?
What?
Remember the bird? They didn't know it flipping flew away in the end.
Oh, jeez.
The video got 6K views. Mad.
It sticks out of here, doesn't it? Like, it's in there. So it's underneath. It could have got more, really. It could have come to the end, but let's see, will or not.
So, okay, I see what going. So this one, you like just go turn around to here, like,
Huh?
like this bit, it'd be like, right here.
Yeah, but look how quiet it is.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What, is it this one as well? Ooh.
This one's like getting there. See, it's holding it. Which one to go?
Probably easier to find both at the same time as well, isn't it? Instead of trying to find fucking one side, isn't it?
We've already mixed it.
Wow, for my days. Huh? Go dig in. I'll edit over it.
At Unit 8, my car's finally done. I have front and rear bash bar.
As you can see, you won't be able to see it, but on the back, you can just see the bash bar. On the rear, just jacking point. But once I get home, I will basically show around the whole front and rear bash bar. Grind done it in like one day. Literally yesterday we were here, straight on it. Just basically done everything in just one day, and now the car is basically. So now the next step is to basically get the car painted. It'll go to Rick by this Saturday, and then the paint and the prep will just start, and then we're gonna go from there, and you guys can see what color we're going for. Like and subscribe and share. Peace out.